Hey everybody, this is Danny with MyFigStix. A little while ago, I got an alert that I got a delivery. I think I know what this is. So I just got home. Y'all are gonna get to see with me. Is this the Fig Stix that I ordered on New Year's Eve from Figologist, the Mehdi's Famous? I hope I'm pronouncing that right. Y'all, I'm from East Texas. Here we like to get the most out of every letter in a word, maybe even add a syllable or two. But Mehdi's Famous, this is from Figologist. Bought these on FigBid New Year's Eve. Y'all are gonna get to see with me. Hopefully, this is what I'm looking for. So, well, first off, there's a couple of deliveries. Look like my wife got something too. All right, this is it. Okay, so here are my FigStix. Let me go get this GoPro on a tripod. We'll check it out together. Okay, y'all, I started the video and realized real quick, y'all didn't want to see me fight with this package. So I've cut the back open. So let's open it up. Let's take a look at the figs. So, well, first and foremost, I can tell they are very large. Let's see, only thing left in there is my receipt. So they're wrapped in saran wrap. Looks like a moist paper towel. First, I'll tell y'all, so I ordered these on the day that they came available on FigBid. Again, Figologist on FigBid, Mehdi's Famous. Obviously, they didn't get shipped until like the next day, right? Well, I guess 2 days later, the first, I doubt they got shipped. So all that said, today is the 8th. So they got here in 6-7 days. Super excited about that. They're wrapped up in saran wrap, nice and tight. Looks like a wet, damp paper towel. Y'all, I think there's 3. This was, you ordered them by the 2s, but it looks like I got 3. Let me see if I can get this saran wrap off of here. All right, here we go, here we go. Found the end of it. That's always the challenge with saran wrap, right? Yes, I do have 3. Oh, fantastic. Okay, so here they are. One of them is a tip cutting. So it's very pretty, and it's a heavy tip cutting, and that is not light at all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7 nodes. 7 nodes on the tip cutting. This next one, this is a very hefty cutting as well. It has got 4 nodes. 4 nodes on these. He has labeled them as well. You can see Mehdi's Famous Fig right there, MFF. Also, he labeled the top of it. I can tell that, as y'all know, we always look for the leaf scar and then the node above, or the bud above that. So very, very nice. This cutting right here, whoops, is very large. This is a hefty cutting right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 nodes on this one. So do I have a chance to cut these? Probably, and maybe I will. They're long. I mean, these are at least a foot long. So I may wind up cutting these in half, get a couple opportunities. Figologist on FigBid. Y'all, if you're not watching Figologist on YouTube, you really should be. His collection is absolutely incredible, and he's extremely knowledgeable, and he's a lot of fun to watch. So go follow Figologist if you haven't already. If you're watching me, I'm assuming you probably know all about Figologist, but he is also Figologist on FigBid. Check him out, y'all. These cuttings are great. Figologist, you did your part. Now I've got to do mine. Y'all, y'all know I've struggled a little bit with rooting cuttings, but I'm getting better and better and better, and hopefully these will go just as planned. Maybe I can get 3, 4, 5 rooted cuttings out of this. Thank you, Figologist. Y'all, fig addiction's a real thing, and cuttings like these just prove that I am truly addicted to figs, y'all. Thanks for watching.